Italy J27, I have to make this really quick because my memory card is running out of space and my computer is completely out of space and I don't have another memory card yet, so I have to save space for my concert, which is tonight. Okay, see you later. It's almost performance time. How do you feel? Excited. How do you feel?
Actually, I was hoping you guys would like way back.
I'm nervous. So the concert is over.
So much hard work.
Michael has done so much, and he deserves this dinner fully and completely. I said, and he clearly deserves this dinner for all of his hard work.
Let's go back to the dorms first, get changed. Yeah.
So that's Erasmus. Erasmus. It's not really his name, but we call him Erasmus. Okay. So the concert is over, and it's bittersweet, but it went really well. I'm very, very happy. I think my piece sounded awesome. I'm so excited to go listen to it. I hope it sounds as good on my recording of it than it did in person. But if not, I will have that moment. So now I'm exhausted. We just finished dinner. We all had a very nice dinner together, and it's like 11 o'clock, and I'm tired, but
110.
I don't know what's going on now.
Okay, it's a big house on one cat.
So that's that.